Hello and thanks for joining me today. I'm Weston, a music teacher and composer, and today I will be showing you how to play the C minor 5-finger scale. This video is more on the importance of starting your journey into the minor tonality. So if you want to know any more about the terms I mentioned, watch the previous video about the best beginner keyboard exercise. Let's dive in. Okay, I'll play through the exercise and then break it down afterwards. Alright, so what makes this the C minor 5-finger scale is the fact that we're playing an E flat here in the middle instead of an E. You'll notice we're skipping E, also known as E natural, and instead we're playing an E flat here, a black key. This is a great entryway into understanding and hearing a minor key. Check out the difference between C major and C minor. Knowing your major and minor keys is crucial. It'll help you learn your chords, improvise, and play melodies in songs that you're trying to learn too. So this exercise is exactly the same as the C 5-finger scale exercise, except we are now playing an E flat instead. So we still have the 5-finger scale, then an arpeggio, and then ending with a chord. If you need a breakdown of those terms, check out the last video in this playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and check out my free sheet music library on my website, where all of these exercises in this playlist will be available to see as a PDF. And I'll see you next time.